The world of licensed apparel is a wasteland, an endless sea of flimsy polyester and iron-on plastics designed to be discarded after a single season. It is a monument to transient sentiment, not industrial integrity. They sell you a feeling, printed on the cheapest possible substrate. This is different. This is not a jersey. This is a piece of engineered equipment, built with a discipline that mirrors the man whose name is on the back. Let us discuss the professional return on investment here. First, the material is a 100% recycled polyester double knit. This is not some concession to marketing. It is a re-engineered polymer designed for a higher tensile strength and color fastness than its virgin equivalent. For a professional, this means the asset does not degrade. It eliminates the mental overhead of replacement. Second, the crests and logos are sublimated via heat transfer. Most manufacturers stitch heavy, abrasive patches onto their garments. This is archaic. Sublimation integrates the branding directly into the fabric matrix. It is lighter, it creates zero friction points, and it removes a subconscious irritant. This buys back focus. Third, the core fabrication is Adidas' own Moisture-Wicking system. This is a thermal regulation tool. It prevents the slight, perceptible drop in cognitive function that occurs when the body overheats, whether in a boardroom or on a tarmac. It preserves your clarity. Fourth, the ribbed crewneck collar. A minor detail, yet it is engineered to be a lay-flat system. It will not warp or curl after stress cycles. This removes the need for constant minor adjustments, a persistent micro-distraction that erodes deep work. And fifth, the Messi designation itself. This is a nonverbal signal. It communicates an allegiance to a standard of performance that requires no explanation. It saves you the time of establishing your own commitment to excellence. The garment speaks for you. In the hand, it weighs mere ounces, perhaps 6. The double knit has a subtle technical texture, a microgrid you can feel, with each square less than 1/16 of an inch. It does not cling like cheap synthetics. It is designed to float a fraction of an inch from the skin, a boundary layer of air managed by the weave itself. It has a cool, dry hand feel. It feels like a tool. Now, the candid admission. There is always a trade-off at this level of performance. The sublimated crest, while superior for comfort and weight, is sensitive to extreme heat. You cannot simply toss this into an industrial dryer. It demands a specific care protocol. This garment requires an operator, not just a consumer. That is the price for this level of integrity. And a final signal for the future. The specific grade of post-consumer polymer that allows for this fabric's resilience and deep color saturation, its feedstock is becoming constrained. By 2026, acquiring this exact textile will be nearly impossible due to supply chain consolidations. Subsequent models will be forced to compromise. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stocks.